after you're involved in an accident in New Orleans, one of the things that you need to do in the very beginning is contact the insurance companies involved. Quite often people will ask us, do I need to contact my own insurance company? There's this great fear that if you let them know you were in an accident, no matter how severe, that your insurance is going to go up. And the short answer is absolutely. You have to contact the insurance company, specifically your insurance company. Most people don't realize this, but in their insurance contract, in the policy, it has language that says if you're in an accident, no matter how minor, whether you're at fault or not, you have to let us know. And they want to know that just in case a claim comes up from the other side, so they're not caught off guard, so that evidence is not lost, so they can do their due diligence to protect you, which is what your insurance company is there for. So following an accident in New Orleans, it's absolutely imperative to contact your insurance company as well as the insurance company, the other driver, to put that claim in. Now, if somebody would like us to represent them in connection with their crash claim, we can take that off of their plate and handle that for them. We can contact the other insurance company. We can contact your insurance company to let them know, to make sure that we're that shield, if you will, between the insurance companies and you. We will also document any benefits that may be applicable under your policy to the accident, be it medical payments, PIP coverage, uninsured, underinsured motorist, collision, comprehensive, many things that can come up after an accident that are important to know that are an option. One of the major reasons why people don't want to contact their own insurance company is a fear that their insurance will increase in cost as a result of being in a crash. While it depends, I can tell you that in Louisiana, if your policy is issued in Louisiana and you're a Louisiana resident, there is a law on the books that prohibits the insurance company from increasing your insurance cost as a result of a non-fault incident. Now, if you're from another state, policy was issued in another state, that's something that we would have to look into. But many states have consumer protection statutes that say that if you're not at fault, your insurance cannot increase as a result of that accident. Certainly, if you are at fault, you caused the crash, and a claim is made against your policy, well then, in all likelihood, your insurance may increase. There are some people who have discounts or maybe accident forgiveness or something like that on their policy that could potentially kick in and prevent that. But as far as making a claim under your own policy in the state of Louisiana for a Louisiana issued insurance policy, no, your insurance rates will not go up as a result of the crash. There's a law that prevents the insurance companies from doing so. Yeah, during your conversations with the insurance companies, whether it is the other driver's insurance or your own, one of the things you want to do is avoid giving opinions as to your responsibility for the crash. Some people may believe at the scene of the crash that they may have contributed or caused the accident, where upon further look, that's not the case. So you want to avoid those types of statements, especially in the beginning. Obviously, it's a little bit different when you're talking to the other driver's insurer than your own. You do have a duty to cooperate and answer any questions that your insurance company may have, but allow the insurance company adjusters, and certainly if you have an attorney like our office representing you, be the one to look at the facts, as it applies to the law, and determine whether or not you're completely free from fault, whether you may have some partial fault, or what we call in our Louisiana comparative negligence, comparative fault. It's a part of the accident, but don't make that assessment or statements like that on your own to the insurance company, specifically for the other driver, and if at all possible, avoid making those statements to your own. And if you have counsel like our office, if we're representing you, again, we'll handle all those inquiries and any statements that they may request from you following the crash. And if you are involved in an accident in the New Orleans area, we're happy to help. All you need to do is give us a call, shoot us a text, shoot us an email, and we'll do everything that we can.